Hey there, how's it going? Today we're going to make some Mexican street tacos using these mini tortillas, and we're going to do them on the Blackstone Griddle. Actually, we're going to do it in a very easy manner. I bought a roasted chicken already cooked, so I'm just going to take the chicken, I shred it a little bit, and we'll get it on the griddle, and I'll be back then to show you the rest of the recipe. We're going to use some really nice toppings. I got this rotisserie chicken at Weiss's. It's still pretty hot, so that'll be very quick and easy to heat it up. Just want to get some nice chunky meat off of here. We can pick on the bones later on for some other leftovers. But the chicken's very nice and moist. Look at that. So we're just going to get that over here on the griddle. Chop it up a little bit so that it will fit into these tacos. Nice. Let's take the chicken without the skin. I put a little bit of oil on the griddle to get it started. I'm going to take most of the bigger pieces. We're going to brown the chicken really quick because the griddle's already hot. A little bit of oil on it. And in the meantime, I'm going to add a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I have the honey barbecue flavor. And I just want to add that in for a little extra flavoring. That smells good. I like that sauce. While that's heating up, I'm going to take a little corn and also going to put that on this griddle to get it roasted a little bit. A little oil. A little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder to that. And I'm going to add some cilantro. Stir that around a little bit. Such a fast treat to assemble, you'll be surprised. Alright, let's keep turning the chicken a little bit here. I'm going to chop that up a little bit further now so it's small enough pieces to fit into one of those little tortilla shells. See how nice and brown it's getting? Okay. Push that off to the side a little bit, and we're going to brown some of the tortillas. I don't know if you've ever found this size of tortillas in your neighborhood, but these are called street tacos. They're white corn tortillas. And we're just going to warm them up on the grill. They're nice soft. So I'm going to put down a little bit of oil here. Okay, we're just going to lay these out on the griddle to get them warmed up. Got all the little tortillas on here, and this is a nice way to brown them up. And they get a little bit soft and easy to handle. quick. Take all the components that we have now and get ready to make our tacos. Take the corn, nice and hot. We're going to put it back in this serving dish. Take the chicken, all nicely seasoned. Put it in a serving bowl. Everybody can make their own tacos at the table. And it's a nice thing to serve for a party because sometimes people just want a little bit of this and that. You don't want to have you want to sample a lot of the different things that you might serve at the party. Let's put that on our serving table. Let's stack up each of the little street taco shells. You can smell the corn, right, Rick?
Yeah.
I know Rick's getting hungry now. All right, then your griddle's ready for another serving if you want to keep going. But for now, we'll turn it off on the bowl of the table and make some lunch. All right, now these are so easy to assemble. Just take one of the little tacos and add some shredded cheese. Hold this in a paper towel. It's a little bit hot. We're going to take some of the chicken that's already seasoned with this nice barbecue sauce and browned on the griddle, and that starts to melt the cheese. Then we add a little of this nice corn. You can mix this with peppers or whatever you like when you serve this, but the chili sauce gives it a little kick. Add a little salsa of your favorite kind, and I know Rick wouldn't want it without sour cream, so give it a little twist of sour cream. There we go, nice little street taco.
For me?
That's for you. It's hot, be careful.
Too bad it's so noisy out here, huh?
I know, it's noisy today.
Everybody's having fun. Taking a bite. Good.
Like it? See, it's a nice size, right?
Almost gone, yeah.
You can eat as many as you want, or go ahead and sample some of the other things that we might have at a party like this. Not too complicated. Look, we made that in about 15 minutes, right? Use a roasted chicken, you can't go wrong. It saves you a lot of trouble and a lot of steps. Okay.
Take a bite.
Enjoy this recipe and have fun making street tacos.